Yes, we'll be continuing the next, the mixed nerve. After we have a different type of nerves, sensitive nerve, motor nerves, and the mixed nerve. After that, we'll be continuing. That is reflection action. Reflection action is a quick and sudden action of our body. It is done automatically without thinking. It is often done to be ourselves, to protect from ourselves. For example, we have a hot, okay, yeah, our eyes will be seeing that it is hot, very hot, okay, students. So we automatically, it is passes, the message will be passed through the our spinal cord, not to the brain, to the spinal cord. Then the spinal cord, then it automatically becomes to know this is, we should not touch. See here, for example, when you step into a thorn, means it is a thorn is there, means we automatically our leg moves towards that side, safer side. Then it moves towards to the our safer side and will be move, keep on walking. Similar, it will never pass the message to our brain. It is automatically the message is passed to the spinal cord. See how it is, okay. We'll be explaining detailedly to the next through the our picture, okay. See, yes, students, here we have a interneurons, spinal cord, the sensitive nerves, neutrons, actually motor neutrons, then it is a sensor respirator. Okay, what happens when we touch, automatically it is go to the spinal cord and it says that you should not touch this one because it is very hot. So what happens, immediately our hand will push back, okay. Similarly, while going also, we have will be seeing a hole. While somebody has digged a hole, we automatically, what happens, our sense organ immediately goes to the spinal cord. But here the brain never works, okay. The brain intimation cell never works. What happens, the message is sent to the spinal cord and will be moving aside, okay. See how it is possible. Here we'll be reading and explaining in detail, okay. In a reflection action, the message reaches only to your spinal cord. They do not go up to the brain. So what before I told, it is the through the spinal cord the message will be sent, not to the brain. Our spinal cord decide what to do and quickly sends its decision to the body part. So how fraction second it will be sending the decisions. You have to keep in mind that such a way that students see her. If it is hot means our hand will never move to the towards the heart. It is cold means, oh, it is a cold, we should not touch that. So our spinal cord will be decide our body parts to move aside. All this happens so fast that you do not even realize that. So we you think it, if you realize it comes to know, your body sense only come to know automatically. But you can't remember how fraction second, not even a fraction second, how it is possible, how it is possible, okay students. That is done by our body part automatically. Blinking of your eyes and withdraw of the hands of touching a hot object or the example of the reflection action. So these are the some of the examples of the reflection action. So reflection action is an important, we never think it like true and false motion. For example, it is a true and fro motions. We automatically our hand will move true and fro. We'll be thinking that we'll be stretching our hand in the straight way. No, we will be thinking that our hand is in the straight. No, no, it is in the true and fro motions. Okay, students, this is done by the reflection actions. Next, we move to the sense organs. We'll be moving to the sense organs. This is our sense organs. We have a five sense organs. Everybody knows, no? That what are that? Eye. That is the sense organ is a five that is mentioned as eye, nose, ears, tongue, and the skin. These are the five sense organ. Make awareness of around, that is the world, how visitors to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel it. These are the observations done by our sense organ. See, us students, the our say main thing it is to make us aware of the world we have using our sense organ. Okay, to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. These are the things we will be using our day-to-day life to our sense organ. In detail, we'll be studying our sense organ. First one, it is the most important one. It is our eye. Okay, for everything we use our eye. Okay, students, we'll be using our eye. This is a part of our eye. What is the important role of our eye? Our eye help us to what is to see. Okay, to see, and what is there surrounding it is there, what is this good or bad, or it is what type of the object it is rough, smooth, everything this will be I will be observing. Oh, okay, this I will be observing. Okay, this is a part of our eye. This is a part of this is our part of eye. Let me explain what are this. Okay, each eye is a ball like organ that is protected by the socket of the skull. Okay, this is like what a ball like an organ. It is observed that it is a ball like an organ. It is protected by the socket of the skull. It is represent as a protected by the skull, our skull. Okay, and you have their eyelids, eyelashes. You know, you have eyelids, eyelashes, and keeps the eye free from the dust and dirty. So why we required eyelid and eyelashes means keep our eye free from dust and dirty. Okay, let we discuss about detailing about what are the parts we have in it. Okay, the colored part of the eye is the this is a colored part. Okay, this colored part we call it as